What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother's was a makeup lover, of course. For today's video, I was just kind of scrolling through my saved stuff that I have on Instagram last night, and I seen this look right here, and I was like, yeah, yeah. Literally, that was my exact reenactment of last night. So I woke up this morning and I pulled out all the products that I thought were going to work to create this look. And here's a sneak peek preview of what we're doing. So I'm going to be doing my eyes as well as my base. My base makeup looks so absolutely flawless. I always prime before I even do my eyebrows, like before I even get on camera. But I used the Blurring Mattifying Primer by Prolux, and I don't know what's in here, but this shit is good. This shit is good. Plus, using it with like my Jordana Ticia powder Lancome concealer, like my under eyes are so smooth, so flawless. So that's just kind of one of the things I was like looking at, and I just had to let you guys know she looks good. Okay, so yeah. We're going to be doing the eyes, we're going to be doing the face, so I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Of course, don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video, where I always do an up close of my makeup for you guys, that way you can see the true beauty of the blend. And if you are curious about the products I use to achieve this makeup and how I use them, definitely keep on watching. I dare say we achieved the goal we were aiming for, and I love that so much. So I did already prime my lids. I'm gonna be using two palettes today: the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Volume 2 and the Blend Bunny Dollhouse palette. I only used 3 shades to achieve this look here. I'm gonna start by taking shade Crazy. We all know this is my favorite shade out of this palette. I'm taking this on a Blend Bunny B4 brush. I'm going to start laying this down in my outer corner and crease area. My main focus for this look was to make sure that it was kind of smoked out a little bit more, like triangular in the back, just like a basic cut crease. So for my particular eye shape, you could see my creases right here. So I'm going to lay my shadow right there. I'm going to take this same brush, and I'm just going to take shade Next, which is in that same row. We're just going up one. And I'm going to use this to start blending this shade out. I'm kind of starting to sharpen this edge a little bit as well. And then as you can see, I didn't go all the way into the front, so I'll take that lighter shade and bring it in just a little bit further. So this is what that looks like starting to blend. Next, I'm going to take the Blend Bunny Dollhouse palette and shade Baby Doll. I'm taking it on this little e.l.f. brush. And because this is such a light pastel shade, it is going to kind of wash out my colors a little bit. But that's okay, because that's why we go back and forth in between the colors. So I'm just going to first lay this down everywhere where I want this light shade to be, and then go back in with my dark and medium shade to properly blend. So it doesn't look too hot right now, but this is what it's going to look like after I go back in. So you could definitely see a difference. So doesn't that look just so much better already? I am now going to use my Plouise cut carver to cut my crease, and then I'm taking the Maybelline Mitchell Color Case, the Essentials, and I'm going to take this nude shade right here to kind of just keep that nice and blank in that area. But I'm not going to lay it down across the whole lid, because I'm actually going to be laying black down to really get this pigment to pop. So let me go ahead and cut the crease, and then I'll come back. Now that I have that section kind of mapped out, I'm going to take shade Porcelain out of the Blend Bunny palette, just to make sure that this is set down. Next, I'm going to take the black and I'm going to just lay that down all in this area. I'm not even going to worry about cutting the crease again or anything because the black, it's literally black. It's just going to cancel everything out anyways. My kid just found the candy stash. I could hear him getting into some nerds down there. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that dark burgundy shade and just make sure that it's nice and seamless where the black meets that shadow. This is the best part, in my opinion. I don't think these are available anymore, but if they are, I will leave a link for you guys. This is the Unearthly gel liner, the shade MC10. Oops. Yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and let that dry. Tell me that's not spot on. So excited. So I decided, because pretty much my whole lid is covered in this one shade, I'm going to take these lashes that I got off of Amazon. This is two separate like styles. I'm going to take this really fluffy kind of cat eye style. BPerfect Chroma Cover Foundation. Not the best pump in the world, but it gets the job done. I do really like this foundation. She gives coverage. I have this brush from Just Up Beauty. And it's like a giant like concealer brush. So it's like so good for blending out foundation. It's actually been a good while since I've used this BPerfect foundation. But like look at how absolutely stunning. Like it even covered my acne. I just have to add a little bit of concealer to really even that out. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo concealer. Just enough to chisel the cheeks. Look at that. For my concealer, I'm going to take the Lancome and the Juivas Place Concealer. I really have to mix this Lancome concealer because it's just too dark for me. So I always have to use something whenever I use this. And it's a really good companion concealer as well. So I'll use a Juivas Place to brighten a smidge. Now that my concealer is mostly, like it's like 95% blended out, I'm going to take the Apricot Double Take Cream and Powder Blush, shade She's Vibrant. And I'm just going to take the cream. Once I blend that out, I always go back in with my sponge, reblend out my concealer, make sure that there's no creases, but also just make sure that the blush blends really seamlessly into my under eye concealer, and then set my face. I think today we're gonna have to do the Jordana Ticia. Should I do the pink powder too? I'm gonna take this shade Half Baked. I'm going to take the loose powder first to set. And then if I need brightness, I could go in with the pressed powder. I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. We all know the drill. We just set the cream. Now it's time to go in with the powder side of the Apricot blush. And I'm going to take this up into my temple area to blend my like eyeshadow together. I don't know, I just feel like it looks really good too, like when I have this area with color. Now I'm going to take the Jordana Ticia, the shade Flossie. And I'm actually going to take the powder side with my blush brush. And just lighten the front a little bit. Have a nice little ombre blush moment. And then I'm going to take the press side of the half-baked shade to brighten my inner corner. I'm going to take the Mikalya X Glamlite highlighter. Wait until you guys see my next package that I'm going to get. I ordered some little goodies from Plouise. If you know, you know. But I'm so excited. It's on the way, so I give it like 2 weeks. But this highlighter is just like, it's not glittery at all whatsoever. It's so high shine, but still smooth, silky. Do we have to do a burgundy lip? Oh, I think we're gonna have to do a burgundy lip, guys. Are you ready? I'm so ready. So here is the completed look. I actually found the perfect like lip combo to match the eyes. This is the Unearthly lip pencil in the shade Carnage. This is exactly that shade. Perfect. And then I put the Plouise Chic of it in the shade Apricot Smoothie right in the center, which kind of gave it that more like nude kind of vibe. And then I topped it off with the Unearthly gloss in the shade Emma to kind of just give it some sparkle, blend it all together. Super pretty. I'm very, very pleased with the outcome of this makeup look. I know I wanted to do this look, but I wasn't sure if I had the like green to match the picture, like my inspiration picture.
Yeah, a python.
Stay out of that candy, punk rock. It was trash. It was broken. My kid's very distracting, and like I forget what I was saying. So anyways, this is the look. These are the vibes. It's giving Christmas. Jingle bells. Cranberry. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's stick on my teeth. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. I'm like, my train of thought gone. Let's see. Without further ado, we're gonna go out and ahead. Roll the clip.